Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's kitchen. Now, today's recipe is the winner of my competition, and that goes out to Richard, Mr. Krasker. Mr. Krasker, Richard, you are the winner of this competition. Richard came up with his idea of a kangaroo burger, and I thought, given the fact that kangaroos were in Australia, is it going to be well received? I thought, what the hell, let's do it. I went online and did some research. I found all these burgers that people were doing. None of them appealed to me. So that's why I've decided on this recipe for the winning entry, Mr. Krasker. I'm going to do my Gourmet K-roo Burger. This is gourmet. It is bloody delicious. And if you haven't tried it, if you can get it where you are, give it a shot. You've got to cook it medium rare and let it rest. Just treat it as a normal steak if you're buying fillet, kangaroo fillet. I didn't want to buy those burgers. They had roux burgers in there. I want to know what's in my burger. I want them, the meat's fine just for me. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to do fillet burger, fillet kangaroo. And it's not that expensive. So, come on guys, let's get cooking. I'll show you how to make the best roux gourmet burger you'll ever see. Okay, so the ingredients to make this gourmet roux burger, of course we are going to need some kangaroo meat. Now, kangaroo meat is sold in Australia. You can buy it in Coles and Woolworths. So it is freely available. I don't know, some people like it, some people are dead against it. But anyway, let's get on with the recipe for Richard. Okay, so I'm going to make a coleslaw. I've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some finely shredded red cabbage. Over the back here, I've got some red onion and some red capsicum. That's going to be the coleslaw. I'm going to incorporate some lemon myrtle. Now, lemon myrtle is an Australian native herb, and it grows here in Australia, and I think it's got a beautiful lemon hint to it, so I'm going to use that. And for the topping of the burger, I'm going to, or the filling of the burger if you like, I'm going to use some beautiful baby spinach, some of the cos lettuce, the heart of the cos lettuce, lovely sliced tomato, and I've cut them really nice and thin. I don't want anything too chunky. Now, I'm not going to do this as a traditional burger with cheese and so on, and a fried egg and what have you, because I just wanted something a little bit different, to be honest. We are going to stay with the Australian theme, use a bit of beetroot in there, and I thought this would be nice, a little bit of red horseradish. I have never ever, take the lid off of that, I've never tried it. It's similar to horseradish, it's red, I don't know. I'm going with the red feel here, guys. Beetroot and so on. And of course we spoke about the kangaroo fillet. I'm not using a burger mince, I'm using a fillet because I want it to be gourmet. And we've spoken about the lemon myrtle. So I'm going to use some charcoal brioche buns. I thought that would be an interesting sort of kick to it. A little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to garnish with some beetroot corn chips. Haven't seen these before, so this is going to be a nice and exciting. Let's get cracking. Guys, the first thing we're going to do to make this coleslaw, I'm going to put half a teaspoon of that lemon myrtle, dump it on top of the mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, some cracked black pepper. All you need to do now is just stir it all in. It's that easy. Pop that aside. Now we get our kangaroo. A touch of salt. I'm only cooking 1 piece of kangaroo for this burger. This is my first time tasting this. I have been in Australia for a while, quite a few, many years, and this is my first attempt at cooking kangaroo. Now, I do believe that you have to cook it on nice high heat, and then you've got to let it rest. You've got to cook it medium rare. If you overcook this, it's just going to be tough. Now, sorry guys, I did forget to mention just a touch of oil. Just a little bit of olive oil on the top. That'll be enough. Okay, nice and hot. Get a good sear on there. So I'm going to cook the fillet now for about a minute or so on that side, then I'll turn it over. Okay, it's had a couple of minutes on that side, I'm going to turn it over. Just let it cook on that side now. Just another little drizzle of olive oil on there. Okay, so while that's cooking away, I'm just going to put the buns on, just to heat them through a little. Let's remove these buns. Turn the grill off. Okay, let's just let that rest now for a little. Okay, it's time to build this burger now. So we put some nicely washed baby heart lettuce on here. Cost lettuce. You can use iceberg, but hey, this is gourmet, don't forget. On top of that, we're going to put our coleslaw. Then we're going to add tomato. Which is just perfectly cooked. If you overcook kangaroo, it becomes very dry. It's really important to let it rest. Don't forget here, we are doing a gourmet burger. You can use the mince. I actually do a roux burger already made up. I like to know what's in it. Slice it up. A little bit of beetroot on top, very thinly sliced beetroot on the top of that. Now a couple of leaves of baby spinach. Finished off with some red horseradish just on the top there. That, my friends, is a gourmet roux burger. Put the lid on the top. And these charcoal buns I've never tried before, but it looks absolutely fantastic. And my side dish is some beetroot corn chips, which I thought was nice. Nice little combination. There you have it, guys. That is my gourmet roux burger. I've got to try it. So there you go, Richard. This is your burger. I wanted to make it different. I wanted to make it gourmet, because when I went online, all the burgers I saw were very much the same. Thank you. You are the winner of this competition, and this is your recipe. Bloody delicious. Until next time, guys, take care. See you next week. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Richard, all the best and well done. Take care, guys. I will see you on my next recipe. Who knows? I think I might make a soup or something. We'll see. All right, take care, guys. See ya.